shelf to the subreddit. That's in your edit, right?
Yeah, that's in my edit.
So why don't we go ahead and look at,
What the fuck,
do you want me to click this link here?
Brother, oh shit!
This is the compilation
What the
of
fuck?
me
You just
talking
hit that
about Ryan
sign,
Kavanaugh,
bro.
What Dan was talking about.
Y nos pusimos a cantar, el mundo a viajar, la funda a llegar, ya no había que bregar. No, pero si tú quieres que te hable de droga, con gusto menos yo te enseño. Conozco los capos y ninguno son sapos dominican puertorriqueños. No me llevo mucho con los empleados, porque por la sencilla razón de que me crié con los dueños. Un día un pana mío, un par de millones de él me puso a contar. Duré toda la noche contando billetes y la mano me empezó a picar. Pasaron las horas y yo estaba lejos de todavía terminar. Pa' mí que eso fue una señal, que luego me iba a tocar.
Ya me acostumbré a siempre ganar como el 23. Ya me acostumbré a callarle la boca al que no me cree.
Ya me acostumbré a no importarme el precio de lo que compré. Ya me acostumbré a clavar.
Oh my god, I'm so hungry. Do you want to get a pizza? Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. I'm on it. Also, I'm sorry about that whole interrogation. Come on, dude, I'm a grown-up. I'm capable of having intelligent conversations. Oh, okay. I just fuck it. Back to this pizza, I lean pepperoni. Ugh. Sausage? How can you eat this shit? No, this not Domino's. It's legit. It's high quality meat and shit. No, I'm vegetarian. Right, well, we could get half pepperoni and half of whatever you like. Ew.
What's your problem?
That shit in the same box. Seriously? Yeah, is that against me? No, I'm not against us being gluttonous, thinking that animals live on this earth to get eat. Okay. Is it how we treat them? That sure doesn't help. Okay. She like, I'm not opposed to us hunting. Just fuck it. Back to this pizza, I lean pepperoni. Ugh. Sausage? How can you eat this shit? No, this not Domino's. It's legit. It's high quality meat and shit. No, I'm vegetarian. Right, well, we could get half pepperoni and half of whatever you like. Ew.
What's your problem?
That shit in the same box. Seriously? Yeah, is that against me? No, I'm not against us being gluttonous, thinking that animals live on this earth to get eat. Okay. Is it how we treat them? That sure doesn't help. Okay. She like, I'm not opposed to us hunting.